Today's date is December 31st, 2019. This is what my basement looks beforehand. Here comes my kid. But I am going to completely show you guys this and show you guys the process as it goes. Today's date is January 30th. January 30th or the 31st. I can't remember. It's the last day of January, but I'm just going to show you guys what my basement looks. You guys can see obviously from December it has changed a lot in like 30 days. So here is my basement, and if you guys need to watch any of my past videos, go for it. But this is what it looks like right now because of the flooding. But otherwise, you know, we're doing pretty good. So on to next month. Today's date is Saturday, February 29th, and today is the last day of the month. I just wanted to share with you guys what my basement looks like. As you guys can see, and if you watched my February basement video, we are still waiting for them to do anything to our basement, but this is just what it looks like. We got a lot of stuff packed in there, but this is what it looks like. So just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. But yeah, that is what it looks like so far. So I will see you guys. Hopefully there's a huge difference by the time I see you guys next month. See you guys later. So today is March 30th, and I'm going to show you guys what my basement looks like. So as you guys see, it's drastically changed a lot since the last video, but this is what it looks like. We are still organizing it. It does not want to focus. And there's that, and then another room that I am going to be working on is my storage room. So my air's on right now, but I'm going to be working on this mess right here for the next year. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on March 30th, 2020. Today is April 30th, and today I'm going to share with you guys what our basement looks like today. I haven't done much with the stockpile. My craft area has been expanding and changing. We got a lot of the stuff on the shelves. This stuff needs to get organized and be put away. I did organize a lot of the toys. We got this area kind of cleaned out, and this area just needs to be organized. But other than that, this is what this month is what it looks like. Today is May 30th. I had to do the video one day early, but I'm here to share with you guys my basement for May 30th. So, if you guys can see, I've been working on it. Working on a lot of stuff. So, it is a little messy, but I hope to have a big difference next time. And then that is my storage area. And the little baby. Yes. Today is June 30th. I'm going to share with you guys just kind of what my basement looks like. It is a work in progress right now, but here it is. Boxes. Some of this is stuff just got to be put away. Those are all empty boxes. This is stuff that just needs to be organized, but I need more totes, more clear totes to organize stuff, but my stockpile is looking good. So this is my basement, and my storage room is getting cleaned up also. Today is July 30th, 2 days before the new year. I'm just going to show you guys what the basement looks like now. So getting some things picked up, things moved around, stuff like that. But it's getting there. This is all going to go by next month, and then this stuff just needs to be picked up. So there we go. Hey you guys, so today is August 30th. I'm just filming this video a day early, but I as I was telling you guys earlier this month, I really wanted to get some shelves for my craft supplies. I really wanted to get some of that stuff organized, but IKEA's been sold out. I have looked other places. It's not what I want. It's not the price I want to pay. So I'm slowly waiting for them to get the shelves in stock. And then once I get that stuff done, I'm going to have my corner of my little area a whole lot organized, looking a lot better. But until now, I really am kind of bummed. I'm kind of bored with cleaning my basement constantly. Like, I'm getting there, I'm getting rid of stuff, but you know, like I said, I'm making this video to help me get motivated, to help you guys get motivated, not to be judged that I have a lot of junk. Yes, I do, but I am not a hoarder. I do get rid of stuff, I just don't do it all at once. It takes time to get rid of stuff. But I'm just going to kind of show you where I'm at. This place is a mess because we've been hanging down in the basement a lot more with, you know, it's just cooler sitting down here. We've been watching a lot of TV, but it needs to be organized. Between both kids, they've been tearing stuff apart. I've been tearing stuff apart, trying to get rid of stuff to sell. I have sold a couple things. So it's been a busy month. I'm hoping to get more stuff done. My friend, since like all these places are closed, my friend, she said she'll definitely help me get organized. So this place is a mess. I'm going to tell you guys that right off the bat. It's just a mess. But it's an easy pickup. I gotta have Ben come down here and pick up toys. I just didn't want him coming down here while I was filming. But there is some more stuff that I plan on throwing away. So it's getting there. It's getting there. I have been getting rid of a lot of stuff, but please don't judge me and say I have a lot of stuff. You guys don't know my situation. So here is my messy basement. So the kids have been playing in this area, which is a lot of fun. I dug these two boxes out because I'm trying to sell some stuff and get rid of stuff. But the kids have just been playing, and I'm trying to get this picked up. So I think later this week, I'm going to have my son help me pick up when my mom's watching Charlotte. But this area is just, it's just ridiculous. It's such a mess, and these kids just don't care. Now, this is intentionally the play area, but Ben just has no respect for anything. This is my stuff I've been kind of collecting. I just threw a bunch of paper towels and stuff. I gotta put all that stuff back. I was digging out a thing. But like these 3 totes, I don't know what's in them, but some of this stuff's a lot of my crafting stuff, which I want to put away. I want to decorate. I want to organize everything. But I just don't have the space. I have everything in my head of how I want to do it, but it's kind of hard. I've been putting more books on the bookshelf for the kids, so we got that going on. But yeah, Charlotte keeps digging out all the movies, and like this is a little chair we got her, so I gotta put that in front of the TV. My, oh crap, I just stepped on something. My video area is kind of a mess. I have stockpile stuff that needs to be put away, but my totes are completely filled and I can't lift them. I've been asking my husband to help me lift them. So yeah, it's getting to be overfilled. I have 3 bags to empty, so hopefully he'll help me empty these probably tomorrow morning or later tonight. He has to go to work later, but I mean it's getting there, you guys. It's just a total mess, and I'm getting stressed out, and that's why I'm not worrying about it. I'm just walking away because it's just overwhelming, and I can't do it all at once. But I'll probably get some stuff done later this week. But Charlotte keeps taking all of my candles out. She takes all the candles out. I pick them up, she takes them out. I pick them up, she takes them out. I'm actually going to get a tote, and I'm putting those all in the tote. The kids been jumping on the furniture, so the furniture's all like messed up. Ben just ripped stuff apart, so I'm going to definitely go off on him when I'm done with this video to film. When I'm done filming to pick up this crap. He played with Play-Doh and can't pick it up and just lets it dry out. So I've had it. I've like had it up to here with him not listening. I'm gonna start throwing stuff away. I don't want to hear your opinion. That's just how I am. That's just what I'm gonna do. But it takes time. But the storage room has been getting there. It's still a little messy, but I just need help, you guys. It is very hard to do this with 2 little children that constantly need me. The older one's a lot worse than this little one. But it's like I put something away, somebody digs something out. So it's like, it takes time. It's August, almost September. I got 4 months to finish this, but I feel like I might not get done. And that's okay if I don't get done, because I'll just continue with the series. So that is what's going on with my basement. I'm getting stressed out just thinking about it, so I'm just walking away. But this room is definitely going to be picked up by the end of the week. So hopefully I can do another video for you guys showing you a video update for the month of September. But yes, I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next month. Bye-bye. Today is September 30th. I haven't done anything in the basement, just giving you guys a heads up. We are having our garage sale in 2 weeks, but I did not do a September video because I haven't had time to do anything. I've been extremely busy, but I think October will be the month where I get stuff out of here. So this is what my basement looks like on the last day of September. So we're moving stuff right now, but it's a mess. We're getting the kids' stuff organized. Those boxes in the back are going away, and I'm getting everything all rearranged. So there it is. So today is October 31st, and I'm going to show you guys what my basement looks like. It's a mess. It was cleaner earlier this week, and then it's a mess, but still working on it. I just bought some stuff, so that stuff's gonna go away, but working on it. So just wanted to share with you guys that. Thanks for watching. Hey you guys, so today is actually December 30th. It's one day before the new year, or 2 days before the new year, and I was doing awesome at the beginning of the year for the, you know, getting rid of stuff, getting my basement together. And I was so pumped. I mean, I was getting rid of stuff, which I was super excited about. And then as our basement flooded, we had a pipe that burst in the wall, and we lost it. None of our stuff really got damaged. We had to throw a couple things away, but you know, we had to have this whole room completely cleared out. And Graham's like little back room was completely filled. Our storage room was completely filled. And it was a pain in the butt, and we had to wait and wait and wait for it to happen. So after waiting, I think the flood happened at the end of January, I think. We finally got somebody get it done, going like in the middle of the March, because they said they were going to do it right away. Then March came, and the week COVID started is when they finished our basement, and we were excited. So, you know, we bought some stuff, and but my thing is I need to clean my storage unit. And the reason to clean that was I had to bring stuff out to get that stuff clean. And I did get rid of a lot of stuff. Might not have showed it all on camera, but I did. And then the thing is, COVID started, and I had nobody to keep an eye on the kids. Ben's school got canceled because I was planning on doing this when Ben was at school. And school got canceled, and it was just a pain in the butt. And then Charlotte now is like attached to my hip at all times, and I just had no energy whatsoever. I ended up going back on depression medication because of that. And just over the past several months, I mean, I've been trying and I try, and then we originally wanted the kids to have this be their playroom, but Ben's scared to come down here, but eventually we will. But I have been getting rid of toys, and yeah, that's how it is. So I'm going to show you with you guys what my basement is, and we are going to start all over for the month, or for the whole year of 2021, because things are going to get back to normal. I will finally have Ben back in school, hopefully. My in-laws will take care of the kids so I can get some stuff done, because I feel like when the kids are completely gone and I can have my house completely loud throughout the whole house, I can get some stuff done. So it's a little messy. We have a lot of stuff out because we have our Christmas stuff out, and once our Christmas stuff goes back in the storage room, like this little room right here, a lot of this stuff will go back in there. So that's what's going on. But here it is. Don't judge me. A lot of you guys do, and they give me crap for it. But the TV room, we kind of been clearing this off. I just got to throw some garbage away. Graham loves cutting cardboard. But I'm going to clear off this whole area. I'm going to totally, like, probably display my Funko Pops on there. We will see what I can do. And then these are just empty boxes right here. These are the boxes that I usually give away at our garage sale. But we didn't do as good as our garage sale this year because of COVID. So these boxes are just empty. And I've been kind of putting stuff in there and donating stuff. And then these totes, I don't think there's very much in those totes. I think there might be just empty. I don't remember. but I'm gonna get rid of a lot of some stuff. This is my craft area. I've definitely been working on it. Graham's just been bringing stuff downstairs and just puts it here, and then I forget about it, and I just haven't had any motivation. But a lot of this is my craft supplies. Like, this is stuff that I just was working on a little bit ago for my Etsy orders. My desk is a complete mess, which I will be getting to that in a little bit. This is more, these are empty boxes. I got some stuff that I just got from a haul that I have not put away. I gotta put some of this Halloween stuff away. But this is my little back area. If you guys can see, we have a Christmas tree box, which that's actually gonna go bye-bye. I did buy a bag. These are all my paper products, which we usually have them stacked all on here. So what we're gonna do is put all the Christmas stuff back, because there's like, I have like 4 totes of Christmas. We're gonna put all the totes back there, and then I'm gonna start putting some other stuff in there. I'm actually gonna put bulk craft supplies on there. Like, I used to use deco mesh, and I have this yellow tote right here. It's completely empty, and I had deco mesh that I have like 3 or 4 boxes full of it. So I'm actually going to put it all in there. I have 1 tote full of stuff that I've cut up. I'm gonna throw that stuff away. But if you guys looked at this room when I first did this stuff, you guys will see I did a huge difference. I mean, this stuff was ridiculous. Now I can actually get to the stuff behind it. So it takes time. I'm still organizing it. But I want to organize my stockpile stuff a little bit better. Working on that. But it takes time, you guys, and with me, with the kids, I have 0 motivation. I've been super busy. Now people think, oh, it's easy for you because you're a stay-at-home mom. Yeah, it might be easy for me, but you guys don't realize what I do. Number 1, I do YouTube, where I have to leave the house all the time. I have to leave the house to buy stuff to show you guys. And I know I could just show you guys the deals at home, but it just doesn't work that way. That's just what happens. But I do that, and then I'm always like trying to find deals or something like that. And some of that stuff doesn't take that long, but you know, you guys don't see how much work I do behind the scenes. And then I have an Etsy page that I started doing because I'm trying to bring more income into the house, and you know, that takes up my time too. And then I have kids who constantly need my attention, who are with me 24/7. As you guys see, I was filming and Ben had to come down here and be with me, so it's not that easy. Some of you guys have OCD. I do not. I don't give a crap. I live in a house where I'm happy. I can find everything that I want. Yeah, yes, I may have too much stuff. I don't care. I get what I want to be happy. I am getting rid of stuff. I just need to organize it is my main priority, and it's really hard to do it. So this is not a complaining video. This is just me telling you guys, we are starting over. We're gonna start from fresh. We're gonna get things great. But yeah, so as you guys see how much my basement has changed over the year, and I just got so much negativity over the last couple months that I stopped doing the basement video. And a lot of you guys are like, no, don't listen to what other people say. But if you guys were in my situation and you had people attacking you like the way I do, you'd want to stop, because people can sit there and complain behind their little computer, make fun of me, tell me how to do this, tell me how to do that, tell me how to do this. Why don't you come to my house? Come over to my house and help me get this done, because I love it. I do have a friend that loves helping me, but it's hard with children. She has 2 boys and I have 2 kids, and we have to keep an eye on them. We live in an area where it's not safe for them just to go outside and play. We have to keep an eye on them, and then they come down here and they make a mess while we're digging stuff out. So it just never helps. That's why I want everybody to be in school. She could come over someday when the boys are all in school and we can get some stuff done. But that is how everything is going. Thank you guys for your support. Let's get everything cleaned up, and hopefully not even take a whole year to get this place back together. I'm just saying, let's see if we can get it done in 6 months. I'm crossing my fingers.